Welcome friends. Today I shall discuss exercise 15, chapter 15, parallel lines. Okay, chapter 15, parallel lines. Now, what is parallel lines? Parallel lines are two lines where every point of these two lines are equal. Every point, distance between the two lines at every point is equal. That is called parallel line, and two parallel lines cannot intersect each other. Okay, cannot intersect each other. Here I have drawn two lines AB and CD. These two lines are not parallel because distance between every point of these two lines are not equal, and these two lines intersect at a point. Therefore these two lines are not parallel. Now AB and CD, two lines, just suppose two straight lines, and EF is transversal and intersect AB at point G, and point H, CD line at point H, intersect CD at point H. Therefore they are creating four angles, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8, four angles. Now these angles 1 and 5, these two angles are called corresponding angles. What is corresponding angles? Corresponding angles, here see that angles on the same side of the transversal. This transversal, same side, that means left side of the transversal, angle 1 and angle 5, left side of the transversal EF. That is the same side. Angles on the same side of the transversal EF and on the same side of the lines AB and CD. AB, this angle is situated right side of the straight line, that means here, and angle 5 also exists right side of the line CD. Therefore 1 and 5, 8 and 4, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, all these angles are corresponding angles. 1 and 5, 3 and 7, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, all these angles are corresponding angles. Here I have written all these angles are equal. When all these angles are equal, when only when two lines will be parallel. Okay, only when two lines will be parallel, then all these angles are equal. Here these angles are not equal, but I have written all these angles are equal when. Now when two lines will be parallel, this is the condition. Now alternative interior angles. What is alternative interior angles? Angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal and in the interior region of AB and CD. What is interior region? This is AB and this is CD. This portion is interior portion of the line. All these angles in this region will be alternative interior angles if the angles are in opposite of the transversal. So this means 3 and 6 are interior alternate interior angles, and 4 and 5 is alternate interior angles. 3 6 4 and 5. Okay, this means 3 and 6 4 and 5. Here I have also written that all these angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Okay, parallel, when parallel all these angles are equal, but in this case these angles are not equal. Now alternate exterior angles means angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal EF outside region of AC and AB and CD. Outside region means AB, CD. AB, outside region of AB is this portion, and outside portion of CD is this portion. All these angles in these regions are called alternate exterior angle. Here angle 1 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles, angle 2 and 7 are alternate exterior angles. Here is also says that 1 and 8, 2 and 7 are alternate exterior angles. All these angles are equal only when both the lines are parallel. Okay, when both the lines are parallel, that is, if AB and CD parallel, EF transversal, then these alternative exterior angles will be equal to each other. Now another angle is co-interior angles. What is co-interior angles? Angles that lie on the same side of the transversal in the interior region of AB and CD. This means this AB and CD two lines are EF transversal. Interior area is this portion is interior area, and this interior area one side of this transversal, that means EF transversal either left side or right side, that means 3, 5, 4, 6, 3 and 5 called co-interior angles, and 4 and 6 are called co-interior angles. All these angles are not equal, all these angles are not equal only sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree when both the lines are parallel. Okay, when both the lines parallel only, then the sum of these two co-interior angles will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, in next classes we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. Okay, thank you.